In simple words, a domain name is the address that you use on the internet. But let's get into a few examples to better illustrate that for you. Hey there, I'm Thiago Mazeo and I'm a product marketing manager here at One.com. And by the end of this video, you should know what all the parts from a web address like this one right here means. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video. So what is a domain name? Let's take our own website as an example. If you take a look at our full address, what we call the URL, you can see here https://www.one.com. You might think that domain names and URLs are the same thing, but they are actually not. To make it easier for you to understand it, let's break it down in parts so you can understand what they all mean. To begin it with, we have the domain itself. In this case, it is One.com. This is what you choose when you're registering a domain for you. If you have a company, you can try registering your company name or try something else that represents your brand. But if you don't have a company, don't worry, you can still register a domain. Maybe you can use your name or something else that represents you or your project that you're working on. Well, the second part after the dot is the domain extension. The most common extension is .com, but you can also have other variants such as .se, .net, .org, and many others. Before the domain itself, we have the subdomain. www is an example of that. You have probably seen it before, and it is the most popular subdomain out there. But you can also create different ones, like let's say test.yourdomain.com, in case you want to run tests and have it separately from your primary domain. If you look at the beginning of your URL, you will see HTTP or HTTPS. The S in here stands for secure and is the reason why a website is shown as secure in the upper left corner of a browser. This means that you have an SSL certificate on this website. I'm not covering this on this video, but we will leave a link to you here on the description in case you want to learn more about SSL certificates. So, how to register a domain? You can start by checking the domain's availability on our website. So just go to One.com and type in the name you want on this search field right here. Let's say you have a YouTube channel of your dog and you want to buy a domain for it. Let's say mydogisawesome.com, just as an example. Just enter that name in the search field and hit the loop icon right here. And from there, you can check if the domain is available. And you can also choose another domain extension in case the one you had in mind is already taken, just like the example that we have right here. After you choose one, just add it to cart and hit continue. Note that here we have also added a hosting plan for you, so you can create a website and also have an email address with your domain. But you can also opt to buy just the domain in case you don't want a website or an email with your domain name. And from here, you can change your package or add any other feature that suits your needs. After you do that, just click continue and you can start by entering your contact details, then your payment methods, and just follow all the steps until you get the order confirmation. If you have any questions during this process, you can reach out to our customer support team at One.com and we will be happy to help you. After completing the order process, you can log into the control panel where you will be able to start creating your website and email address with your domain name. If you need help, we have a tutorial guide on how to create a website in 7 steps, and we'll leave also a link here in the description for you. I hope you found this video helpful and that you understand more about domains now. So if you did enjoy this video, please leave us a like and also subscribe here to our channel to see more videos like this one. That's it for today, and I see you on the next one.